Peeps, what is up? What is happening? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing swell. I hope you guys are having a happy Thanksgiving next to your loved ones. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I'm here and ready to adhere to this channel. Anywho, for those who are new to this channel, hi, my name is Adriana. Nice to meet you. Now, today, can you guys guess what's on today's agenda? Just guess.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
Yep, we are gonna go Black Friday shopping. Now, a little backstory. I personally don't like spending a lot of money.
With a lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Okay, you guys call me red-handed. I do love to spend, but I only love to spend when I earn cash back. Earning cash back is super important to me, even if it's just a few cents. Change will eventually accumulate, so every penny counts in my book. Now, for today's video, I thought it'd be fun to take you guys with me shopping around to show you the little tricks that I utilize to save money to get more bang for my buck. We're only gonna go to 2 stores, I believe, and the rest are gonna be online shopping, just because I love online shopping, because I am eligible to get more cash back and I don't have to deal with the hassle of waiting in line. Let's go shopping, hey, let's spend money. You guys ready? I'm gonna throw it to you guys. I'm done. Okay guys, first things first, we're gonna go grab some coffee because I need some energy. I am lacking energy this morning, so we're gonna literally just drive. Quickly drive to, well, not quickly, we can take our time, we have the whole day ahead of us. But you guys get the memo. We're gonna go to Starbucks and get some coffee.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hello, can I please get a grande iced caramel macchiato?
Grande iced caramel macchiato. Anything else?
Yep, that'll be it.
Awesome. We'll have a total here for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
While we wait, I'm going to show you guys how I paid for my drink. We're going to jump on IBOTTA. IBOTTA is an app that enables users to earn cash back on in-store, mobile, and online purchases with receipt submission. Today, we're going to be testing out IBOTTA's new feature, Pay with IBOTTA. I've never used this. This is my first time, so we are learning together. So here we are. We have the list of participating retailers and the amount of cash back you'll receive for each purchase. We are going to click on Starbucks. The first thing it pops up is to verify your phone number. Go ahead and input your phone number, then you receive a verification code. Then insert that verification code and hit verify. Then you're able to insert the amount you want on the gift card. 60, no. That's more like it. Then we're gonna hit the button, buy a gift, and then we're gonna add a form of payment by clicking those 3 dots. Now that we made the purchase of a $6 gift card, a barcode should appear on your screen. Go ahead and show that to the barista and you'll be on your way with your coffee. Now I'm just gonna go back on the app and check if I received my 2% from the $6 purchase, and I did, a whole whopping 12 cents. We're good. Wham bam, yes ma'am, we got our coffee. Yes we did. I got an iced caramel macchiato. Love this. It's delicious. Yum. Now that we got Starbucks out the way, I want to shop at Ulta because I received an email this morning with a coupon of $10 off 40, and yes, that includes prestigious brands like Benefits, Laura Mercier, all those brands that I really don't know about because I'm not really a makeup fan. I'm not a beauty guru, as you guys can tell with my makeup, but I did fall in love with a Benefit bra product. I decided to buy now that I have the chance, and now that I have the coupon of $10 off of 40. I'm like, why not take advantage of that? So I'm gonna go ahead and shop, and I'm gonna actually turn the camera around just to show you guys, because process I actually can't screen record, so I'm just gonna show you guys by flipping the camera. Now for Ulta, I'm actually going to make my purchase through Rakuten. Rakuten is a program that allows users to earn cash back by shopping online at affiliate stores. Same as IBOTTA, Rakuten shows the name of the store and the amount. We are going to click Ulta and hit the Shop Now button. And Rakuten is quickly going to activate our 10% cash back before we are redirected to Ulta's website. Now that we're here, we're just going to select the items that we want. So the first item that I'm getting is for sure the Benefits Brow Styler. That's $34.99. And Ulta is actually having a sale on the Maui brand. Buy one, get one free. So I'm getting 2 of those. I'm getting a heat protector mist and also a agave mask, a hair mask. For those 3 items, the total is going to be $42.99. Then I have a $10 coupon. So my total that I had to pay out of pocket was $32.99. But I did receive $3.30 from Rakuten. Okay guys, so here we are. I ended up switching the other one because he didn't have it. and they were gonna charge me for shipping. So I just went with this one here, the Strength and Anti-Breakage Guava Hair Mask. So I have all my 3 products here, and the total after I apply the coupon that I received for 10 off of 40, it's gonna be $32.99. I order from, just gotta wait until I receive an email confirmation. Oh, well, I have to pay first. I actually placed an order at Kohl's yesterday and I received 30 bucks from that transaction. So now I'm going to utilize those 30 bucks on a different transaction. First, I'm going to show you guys what I actually ordered and how I ordered it. So roll the clip. Here we are back again. We're going to go and hop on the Rakuten app. Once again, Rakuten is my best friend. We're going to go ahead and hit Rakuten and find Kohl's and click on Kohl's and be directed to their website. Now we can go ahead and look at the things that we want. Now I'm just going to get a pair of boots that are $19.99 and 4 pair of jeans that are $24.99. For those who know me know that I love these jeans. Lauren Conrad are my favorite jeans. They are so soft and comfortable, and they are stretchy and sturdy. Usually when you get a pair of jeans that are stretchy, they don't complement your body, but these do. So next time you guys are at Kohl's, grab a pair, go to the fitting room and try them on. You'll thank me later. So the total for the 5 items came out to be $127.15, but I did have an $18 promo code, so I went and applied that. So what I paid out of pocket was $109.09. Then afterwards I received $30 Kohl's cash. Then I also received $11.23 cash backs for making this purchase through Rakuten. And then I also received an extra $10 from Rakuten for making my first purchase over $25. Now that you guys just saw how I purchased and how I made my order, I'm actually gonna do it again. I'm gonna go back on the app that I just showed you guys, the Rakuten. Okay guys, after so many options back to back, ordering 1 pair of jeans and 2 tops, 2 turtlenecks, because I love turtlenecks. Okay, so the grand total is going to be $31.97, but a few cash and promo codes were applied. The Go Shop 20 to 20% off, I got 40 cents off. And I also applied the $30 Kohl's cash. It to rain, look at it. Look how sad and gloomy and depressing this weather is today, but yo girl, still happy. Yes, you gotta stay positive even through days like this where it's just so sad and gloomy. You just want to cuddle up in your bed and stay in bed. But wow, that is so out of focus too. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hold on. Wow, this camera takes a while to focus, huh? We were definitely out of focus for that clip, but here we are in focus now. And yeah, like I was saying, guys, just get up. I know it's so hard sometimes to get up on these gloomy ass days, but it's up to you where your day leads. So get up and do what you gotta do. You do you, shawty. All right, I'm gonna run inside the house and I'm gonna chill for a bit and wait until I receive the email confirmations notifying me that my things are ready for pickup. So I'll see you guys in about 4 hours or so. Guys, 4 hours later, and I finally received an email notifying me that my items are ready for pickup. Yeah. So we're gonna drive to Ulta and Kohl's to pick up the items. All right, guys, we're here at this time shoe warehouse. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Guys, we're in shoe heaven. Quiero algo como así. Guys, I love boots that have a heel, just because I'm really short and I just feel like it gives me a little height. Okay guys, we made it to Ulta. Ooh, I'm surprised it's not as busy as I thought it was gonna be. Okay guys, I got the bag. Okay guys, we made it to Kohl's now. Quick trip. Kohl's, Ulta's over there right across, so it's really quick. I had to deal with the hassle of waiting in line.
Gotcha, bitch!
So my apologies. I wanted to do a little mini haul, but unfortunately all the videos that I recorded were glitching for some reason. I'm not sure what happened, but I did want to talk about Designer Shoe Warehouse. I spotted these brown boots that you guys are seeing now on the screen, and my goodness, I fell in love. Now these boots were on sale for $47.98, and I also did get a wallet for $5.98 if you add those two together. The total comes out to be $53.96. But I also had a $10 off and a $5 off for my birthday. Woohoo! So the total that I had to pay out of pocket was $38.96. But I did receive a $10 card from Designer Shoe Warehouse and a 5 off of $39. And I also received I believe $2.92 from IBOTTA. Total came out to be $21 with 4 cents, and that is not a bad deal. But I also did a second transaction at Designer Shoe Warehouse. I bought some snow boots for my goddaughter, which I'm not going to show. I just put a random picture of some snow boots. Her snow boots were listed at $29.99, but I got a discount for $16, making it $14.97. That's how much I paid out of pocket. But I also received $1.05 back for using IBOTTA once again. So my whole total came out to be $13.92, which is not too shabby. And I'm sorry you guys that this mini haul wasn't really like a mini haul. I didn't have the things here physically, but I just kind of wanted to present you guys this opportunity so you guys can take advantage of it since Cyber Monday is coming up. So if you guys have not yet made accounts at Rakuten and IBOTTA, I recommend you do so. Once again, I'll leave the links and the referral codes down below, that way you guys can sign up. So let me know 2 things. 1, what are you guys most grateful for? And 2, what kind of deals did you guys snatch up? I want to see how active my comment section could get. I love interacting with people, so it'll be a fun way to interact with you guys. Leave your answers down below in the comment section. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it like I just said, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.